Hello, welcome back to QuickTable. It's your boy Wilson Mugunti once again. And today's how to series on QuickTable, we'll be talking about how to do a union of data sets on QuickTable. So as an example, I'll take you through a company's other data sets from 2014 up to 2018. Now I want to combine all these data sets into one large data set for all the 5 years combined. So we'll just open our main menu, QuickTable. Just open one of the data sets, and then we'll click on Union. We'll select all the data sets we want to unite, and then we click on OK. Then we click on Save. So we've successfully united all 5 data sets into one large data set. So we can now manipulate our data as we wish. Thank you so much for watching. This is how to do union on QuickTable. As you can see, it's very easy and time saving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.